What's up guys, today we're going to be playing some Slime Rancher. So, this is, if it's lagging, I'm sorry. Beautiful. If it's lagging, I'm sorry. This is my first video with the mic. My first video with this new mic. And it's a little bit sensitive, so I'm sorry if it sounds bad. But this is just like I think it's a meantime mic, so it's not a permanent mic. It's just gonna be for now until I can get a better mic. So I'm just gonna have a little 10-minute video maybe. This might be a little short video, just to kind of see how it likes. If you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe. Would you say that? Why am I begging for subscribers? Like, there's no point. Like, I could say that. I should stop doing that because I feel like honestly, I could go like, oh, if you're a subscriber, it'd make me very happy and make me less depressed. But like, no one's gonna do it. I just like Slime Rancher because it's a very, well, peaceful game. Like Bob Moss would say. Vacuum up slimes. Which is beautiful. There is no such thing as a mistake, just happy little accidents. Vacuum cleaner. Do you think this was Luigi's job before he went to the haunted hotel? Like Luigi's Mansion 3. This is the Luigi's Mansion 3. He wants to stay alive. He's dead. Okay. Oh, wait, what was that? Pink Boy. Oh yeah. It's my favourite Pokemon. The very elusive Pink Boy Pokemon. I swear if you hit this back of the head, you will. Please don't hurt me, guys. I'm just an innocent little pink boy. Oh god, he's a little bit hangy. You just ate a chicken. In the vacuum cleaner. This is what they should do is Ghostbusters for just like blasting carrots. Chickadoos. You know what, let's go feed that big fatty. Where is that fatty? Did I take a wrong turn? I think I took a wrong turn. There's Stony Hen. This place is filled with Stony Hens. This ain't where I'm supposed to go. I need these things. No, you will not take this hen from me. He's too precious to be taken away. Can I kill myself in this game? What's this? Hey! Hi, fatty. Giant me? Oh, chickadoos aren't classified as me. Didn't realise F was a flashlight. Where is he? Where's what? Where is the chickadoodles? Why is this music gone all dramatic? Oh my god, what are you abominations? Please don't hurt me. Here, take the kids. That was traumatized. You made him commit suicide. You monstrosities. He opened his mouth. The talk. There's awful ravenous rainbows. Get off me! Goodbye! I'm the same. No, don't you hurt him! Ugh. Oh god! Hey! Look at this! I was saving your car! No, let's just run away. Just please don't hurt me. Okay? Guys, I just saw the most scaring thing. The apocalypse is going to happen. What is this? Come here. You're a hostage now. Wait! Well, the plot's technically their poo. So if there's a Gordo down there. Like, am I just gathering them in for your guys' turds and selling them for money? Don't know me. Okay, Theo, I thought he was gonna hurt me. He looks a bit annoyed. Which I mean, he's maybe a bit hangry. Time goes by so quickly in this game. Please, sleep till morning. Tell me those stupid cars are gone. Those things were terrifying. I heard a woohoo. Am I sacrificing slime to this person? You better give me like a talk to me. Whoa. It's a goodie bag. Let me just vacuum what I can. We'll turn around and pelt these guys in there. These chickens, they're living so they'll run away. Their natural instincts will kick in and make them run.